Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com, and in this video we're going to go over the Buzzaround LT 3-wheel scooter. This is a portable mobility scooter that breaks down into 5 manageable pieces, and the scooter can support up to 300 pounds of weight. It is a practical mobility scooter, so it's not too expensive, it's affordable. So if you're someone that just needs simple mobility and you want a 3-wheel range that has a tight turning radius, this is a great option. It does have a 7-mile battery range, so it's something that's, you don't necessarily want to ride it around all day long, but if you need simple mobility to get around stores, get around your home, this is a great option for you. So we're going to do a little ride along showing you more about this scooter. We have done a video before showcasing the scooter, going over some of the features, but this video we really want to show you more of what it feels like riding the scooter from a first-person point of view. So a couple things that I'll point out about the Buzzaround LT is it has adjustable armrests. You can adjust the width of these and extend them out. It does have this universal 1-inch by 1-inch accessory hitch, so you can add different accessories to here, like a basket, for example. The armrest, they flip up and they are padded. It's a stadium style seat. You know, again, this is more of the practical version of mobility scooter. So if you're just looking for simple mobility, you don't want to break the bank, this is definitely a good option. So when I sit in this, just to kind of give you guys a vantage point, I am pretty tall. And one of the benefits of having a 3-wheel scooter is that you have a tighter turning radius, but you also have more leg room. So you can see the front wheel is right here and the foot platform extends beyond it. So I can actually extend my feet all the way out here and I can sit comfortably. My knees don't really get in the way, and if they did get in the way, I can adjust the tiller out. So I'll actually show you that. So we can turn this knob and now we can adjust it out just a little bit. So now, like, my knees don't hit anything. I have plenty of leg room. I'm 6'4". You know, I do look really big in this thing, but you can easily sit in this if you're a tall rider. I think it's comfortable. I don't feel cramped in my legs. Has a 4-mile-per-hour top speed. It has an ambidextrous tiller, so you can accelerate forward or backwards with just one hand. So if you only have use in one of your hands, you can just use, like, your left hand, for example, you'd accelerate or decelerate, and you can do it with your right hand. There is a horn. This is your speed control. So right now it's turned all the way to the tortoise, or at the top speed, but you can adjust this top speed down. So just to show you, here's the slowest and the lowest speed. So we're creeping along real slow. This is good for if you're in crowds of people, if you're shopping. You might want to turn it down. Actually, that's like super slow. So I might turn it up slightly if I was in like a crowded area. But obviously top speed, it's a lot faster. Top speed is listed at 4 miles per hour. I think that it can go a little bit faster than that, but you can see like where my shoes are, like where my feet, and like with my legs, you know, I have a nice like 90-degree angle here. There is no suspension on this, so keep that in mind. Again, this is just more of a scooter that is just for someone that wants portability, to be able to take mobility with them. They need help riding around when they're doing errands or just riding around their home. This is great for that. So if you don't want to break the bank and you just need something to help you get around, this is definitely a good option for that. And like all of the Golden mobility products, it's quiet. You know, it's a quiet scooter. I weigh about 235, so 6'4", 235. It's getting around just fine. I will show you how to disassemble and show you a couple of the features here, just so you know. So one thing is the armrest flip up, makes it easier to get in and out of the seat, but the seat also swivels, so I can swivel it to the side like that. You're sitting at a dinner table, you know, you pull up to a dinner table to eat dinner with your family, you can just pull right up next to it and swivel it to the side, flip up your armrest, and got plenty of room. So the charging port is located up high on the tiller, which is nice. And it also is right here on the battery pack, so you can charge it either place. And let me show you how to disassemble it. It's really easy. There's no tools required. And this is how you would disassemble for when you're traveling or you want to put it in the back of your vehicle, or it's really easy to do. So first step is I would fold the seat back down like that, and then you pull the same lever that you pulled to swivel the seat, and it just pops right out of the seat post. Next, I would probably just take the basket off. So it has a handle, which is kind of cool. You can just hit it from the bottom and it pops right off. So you could take this shopping with you if you wanted to. I would also make sure you take the key out. That's real important. You don't want to fold it up with the key on. Just keep that in your pocket. The next step is, so right now the wheel moves, but if you're transporting it, you want to make sure this wheel does not move. So you can lock this into place like that, and now it's not moving. Otherwise it would jump around when it's in the back of your vehicle. So I think that's an important thing to show. Next step is I would pull the battery pack out. It just pulls right out. So it connects, these metal connectors connect into here. There's no wiring you have to hook up. And this is also good because, like I mentioned, you can charge it directly on here. So instead of bringing the whole scooter inside your home, you can just pull the battery pack off and then bring it in your home to charge it. Next, I would adjust the tiller all the way down to about this level position, almost level position, the floorboard. And then lastly, there's a little lever here that you lift it up like that, and that separates the front half portion of the scooter from the rear wheel assembly. So that's really how you disassemble the scooter. Really easy. So I'll quickly reassemble this. Tighten that up. Now this is still locked, so we have to unlock this part. So now we can turn the wheel. Place the battery pack back in, just like that. We can slide the basket back on, and the seat. Pretty simplistic. Awesome scooter for that. There's also a 4-wheel version of this, so if you didn't want the 3-wheel, you can get the 4-wheel. So something to keep in mind. The 4-wheel is slightly more expensive, but these two scooters, the 3-wheel and the 4-wheel, are the most budget-friendly scooters in the Buzzaround line. So if you have any questions about this scooter or any of Golden Technologies products, definitely call us. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, and hope this video was helpful.